Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a delicious classic salad, Caesar salad. Let's go to the vegetable garden to pick the lettuce first. Look, my lettuce is already fat. This one is butter lettuce. And this one is romaine lettuce. I'm gonna make today's Caesar salad with this romaine lettuce. Let's get started. Wash and cut one head of romaine lettuce into small pieces. Use a salad spinner to remove the excess water and set aside. Then let's make the salad dressing. The most important part of Caesar salad is the homemade dressing. The store-bought Caesar dressing is very different from what you can make by yourself. It is recommended that you make it at home. First, smash 2 cloves of garlic, cut into pieces, pour into a large salad bowl, then add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 2 teaspoons of anchovy paste. Mix the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, slowly add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, stirring while adding. Then, add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite chili sauce. One-quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add the juice of half a lemon. Then add 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Now you can add the romaine lettuce. And 1 cup of croutons. Toast the salad, letting the sauce fully coat the lettuce. When it is ready, add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/8 teaspoons of black pepper and toast again. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese on the top. Our bowl of delicious Caesar salad is ready. So let's eat it while it is fresh and crunchy. I did a lot of stirring and tossing to make this dish, but it's really worth it to eat such a delicious salad.